Wow, do I have a human hair piece to show you today. Let's get started. I can't wait to show you this beautiful human hair wig. This is from Emma Hair Piece, and I want to thank them for sending this for me today to show you. It comes boxed beautifully in this box, and I also love that it has detailed instructions on the back of how to wash this wig. I think they just covered all the bases. It also comes in this beautiful little carrying bag, and you know, this is perfect for travel. You know, Emma Hair Pieces, they offer such beautiful wigs, and the whole thing is they are affordable. And that's the thing, because you know, these human hair wigs can run into the thousands, right? This one is $3.99, and I have a code, Crazywiglady. You can save 10%. So if you're interested in this piece, after I show it to you, just go to the drop down box below this video. Just expand that drop down box. I'm going to have a link there where you can order this wig and save 10%. Now, I haven't washed this wig yet, and I'm excited to do that. So this is going to be a part one of several videos on this wig because I really want to wear it for a couple of months, wash it, see how it dries, take pictures of how it dries so I can give you all of that information. Now y'all, I'm going to be inserting all kinds of little videos and pictures as we go along of this wig. I had to use some adhesive on mine. Now this is one of those 13x4 lace fronts, right? Lace frontal comes all the way down, the lace all the way down. I'm going to insert some video of the inside of the cap so you can see how the lace looked before I trimmed it. I've already trimmed it. And how that looks. It has lace at the nape and then that large 13x4 lace frontal. This also has a beautiful transparent lace. It's available in small, medium, and large. Now I'm in the small cap. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, and the small cap fits 21 to 22 inches. This one is 130% light density. There's no permatease, of course, y'all. You know, this is a human hair wig. There's no permatease here, but they are saying this is 130% density, and it is 12 inches. Look how pretty this is. It comes with a slight wave like this, which is so pretty. This color too, the EM24. Look at this. Just beautiful. If you love these brunettes, I think this is so pretty. It feels so good. The hair is so gorgeous. You know, the denier is nice. It's very, look at this, very wispy, very light. Make sure you get a look at that. Now, I think the knotting is a little heavy here. Now, I think if you just put a little makeup on, you know how we have to do sometimes. Put a little makeup on through there, you can easily hide that. There are no ear tabs. Now, I believe on these 13x4 lace caps like this, there are no ear tabs. This one does not have ear tabs. It does, however, come with one of those straps, and you'll see that in the video that I show. I took mine off. I don't need that. I got a perfect fit with this cap. There's no extra room or anything in the back, so with the small cap, it fit my head perfectly. And I love that about this. It also has the hook adjusters, and it has that, it's wefted, and then the covered wefting on this. Now, if you are new to human hair wigs and you are new to these 13x4 lace frontals, in my opinion, they take some getting used to. It's kind of a learning curve there, trimming the lace, making sure you get it trimmed correctly. I had to use adhesive, like I said, to secure mine down on both sides. I think that these are a little bit harder to deal with than ones that have the ear tabs and then just like a temple to temple lace front like you would be used to with a normal synthetic wig. I think that's a little more easy to deal with if you are new than these 13x4. I think you have to get the hang of it. Like I said, I think there's a little learning curve there, and once you get the hang of it, I think it's great. But I just wanted to call that to your attention and tell me if that has been your experience. You know, I told you I had to use some adhesive. I wanted to show you there. That was easily done, looks good. I just put mine up in a half up and half down because this is one way I just love to wear all my wigs. I love to get them off my face a little bit. This one went up perfectly. Y'all, this is so, so beautiful. If you haven't tried one of these, I would just encourage you to give one of these wigs a try. If you're wanting to try a human hair, but you don't want to spend a fortune on it, to me, this is the way to go. Get one of these, get familiar with human hair, learn how to care for it, and you haven't, spent a fortune trying to do that. What's also nice is you can change the part around. If you want to do more of a middle part, you can easily do that anywhere within that lace that we looked at in that video. You can part this. Now you're going to have to work with it a little. I would probably spray it with a little water. I would normally use a blow dryer on a cool setting there and just work that around till I got the part where I wanted. But that's the beauty of these as well. I love how this falls. Oh y'all, I wish you could feel this hair. Look at this. Feels just like you got up this morning and your hair looks amazing. Isn't this gorgeous? This cap is very, very comfortable. I love how this just fits my head like a glove. Like I said, no extra back here at all. It is just a perfect fit. Now, and again, I did not use the strap, but this is really nice if you need it, that you can take this on and off easily. Now let's just talk about this color. I would say this is like a medium brown, and then it does have some highlighting running through here. I'm going to insert some different types of lighting. I always like to show you how it looks in different lighting. I am filming with this bank of windows, overhead lights, and only one ring light, but I'm going to show you in indirect and sunlight how this looks. But this is a beautiful shade of brown, just with some subtle highlighting running through it. I can't wait to put a lot of curl in this. I am going to really add a lot of curl and see how this looks. But first I'm going to wash it. So like I said, this is going to be part one. I just am new to this wig, so I wanted to show it to you, show you some styling options, show you about the cap, talk about the fit, talk about the color. But now I really want to dive deep into what can I do with this wig. How does it look after we wash it? How does it look after I add some curl to it? How long did the curl last? All those things. So stay tuned for more videos on this wig. But this is so pretty, and I think the more I work with this, the more I'm really going to like it. Just getting my hands in it, loosening it up. I think this is just beautiful. For the price, you cannot beat it. For the price of this, it is just a beautiful, beautiful style. Let me know your thoughts on this. Have you tried this brand? What has been your experience? If you have, which ones have you tried? I'm curious to know some others I might can try. Again, save yourself 10%, use my code, and let's get to know this human hair wig a little better. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.